This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to remove a film from a list on Letterboxd. So right here on Letterboxd, on the main page, letterboxd.com, what we need to do is we need to find a list that we own in order to remove a list, as you can of course only remove a list from a film, even from a list that you actually own. So you need to own the list. We will come up to our username at the top. There's a picture of yourself and your username. We will then click profile. Your profile will open up here, and what you can now do is you can come across two lists on this sidebar right here. Now we have the lists that you actually own right here. So you will click on one of your lists that you want to remove a film from, and I should note here on the actual the app, I'm not showing you on the app, you will just hold on the film and it'll give you the option to remove the film. So you just hold on the film screen on the poster and you'll have that option. But right here on desktop, we will click on edit or delete this list. And now we've got all of these right here. So any of these films, you can literally just click the trash can icon. So if I wanted to remove HUD, right here, I can of course remove the placement of this right here. But if I wanted to actually remove this film HUD 1963 with Paul Newman, I believe it is, I can click on a trash can, and just like that it will be deleted. You just click save and that film will be removed from the list. If I click save now, you'll see once we go back to view list, you'll see that HUD is no longer there. It's gone. It was around here, it's now gone. We just got Hired Hand and One-Eyed Jacks, Rio Grande and stuff. There's a few cowboy films here at the start of this particular list. So that was how to remove a film from a list on Letterboxd. You have to own the list, of course. You can't just willy-nilly start deleting films from other people's lists or anything like that, however much we might want to sometimes. And hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just